What if you could step into a world where nature reigns, and every turn reveals an incredible wonder? What if I would tell you that here you can step into another world? This is Danube Delta, a unique and wild place located in Romania. Spanning over more than 4,000 square kilometers, this UNESCO World Heritage is a paradise of birds, fish, waterways, reed beds, and a diverse range of wildlife. The Danube Delta is a complex labyrinth of channels, lakes, and marshes. This complex network supports a rich ecosystem, making it one of the most biodiverse areas in the world. It is home to almost 300 bird species, a reminder of how life here thrives in harmony. You can spend days watching them, feeling like a small child who has just discovered his most beloved toy. Go and fish with the locals, get closer to the nature, see the egrets, cormorants and pelicans. Look even closer and see those little dragonflies and frogs. The Danube Delta is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience. It invites you to slow down, observe, and appreciate the wonders of nature. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, the Delta offers a journey like no others. Come and discover its beauty. Thank you for viewing this Danube Delta teaser. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for new notifications. We've got plenty more adventure coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Farewell for now, but not goodbye.